I want to cancel my order. I don't want the order. I want to cancel my order because it's been taken incorrectly. Hello?
Sorry.
Yeah, this order will be cancelled. So this call is recorded. I'm just warning. This order
Furthermore,
this order is
sorry.
cancelled. This order is
Hello.
cancelled. This order is cancelled.
Hello.
Yes. Can you hear?
Hello.
Hello. I've sent you cancellation. This order is cancelled.
Yeah, you can hear me.
Yes, I'm telling you, this order is cancelled. This order is
Cancel.
cancelled. Cancelled.
Yeah, okay, tell me.
What do you mean you can tell me? I'm telling you now, this order is cancelled. Cancelled. Idiot. Can you not hear me?